Morning team. It's Thursday, May 18. Today is my last day of the week for review because this afternoon I travel to Italy and I stay away until Tuesday. So I will miss only this one and Monday morning, okay? I go to see my dad in Rome. News. Well, I didn't realize it's bank holiday in French and Germany. That's good. That's good because I love bank holidays. These clean levels. We can get a nice win today in London, maybe, huh? And then we got this one, which should be pretty important. Not crazy, but yeah. Indeed. Like no news around London Open. Cool. Let's see. So, let's start with daily. Oh, weekly there is nothing, no? What is this I just did here? Fuck. Oh. I don't even know what I did. Sorry. Anyway. Yeah, weekly. Is this volume imbalance here inside the origin is nice. Too early to say. But daily, basically this rejection gave some reaction as we expected, like 50-60 pips, gave up on the retest, and now this other big wick gave some reaction and produced a daily raid. I'm not so convinced about this daily raid, because yes, it's a raid of this low, but it's also like a BMS of this wing low, which is the one that's supposed to be pushing, you know, like they form this wing low and D1 and then instantly BMS down. So is bearish momentum over? I don't think so. I don't know. Doesn't look like to me. On a daily level at least. But yeah, who knows? Maybe the low, the wick could be in, you know? I mean, how big is this? Let's see hourly. Now I tell you why I'm a little bit skeptical. So H12 closed below BMS this one and BMS this one. So H12 doesn't look bullish at all right now. And H4 the same. Look at this bearish close. Where do you start to see some bullishness is H1. Because to be honest, if I just see this kind of pattern, I mean in a daily support, which we are currently, no, because we say that we are in that daily rejection block, and I see an H1 raid and then 2 BMS, I will get bullish. But knowing that we're coming from a big weekly raid and a downtrend, I'm a little bit more skeptical right now. So yeah, this one has to hold for price to be bullish. Yeah, right now we got this one is untested. Yeah, I show you now on the low time frame because it's cleaner. For me to become bullish, really bullish, like I can see a long, you know, if we pull back here, I can see a long into yesterday London close and Asia high liquidity. But for me to become bullish on hourly, we need to break this level, this area of interest. And I show you better now on the low time frame chart. So this range, okay, here says 4 day, but just because the weekend, this is a 2-day range, okay? And somebody here decided that it was time to break it down and send something like, I don't know, like 50 pips lower. Okay, then look how interesting is this. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high. Then somebody push once, then twice, and then finally break it and make 2 BMS on each one. So I think this level is an area of interest for longs. It's a little bit early for me to trade. I don't touch charts until 8 o'clock here. So, but if they pull back, you know, in OT area also, and I see some bullish setup, I think we can go higher. Where about here? At least here. I mean, this looks like pretty clean to me, and somebody need to play the price. And then what happened? If we push up, if we start to break down and close below this wing low, I think we keep going much lower, much lower. I mean, at least like here, 78, at least in this area. At least here, in the 76, 78 area. But right now, I can see a push higher. So if we start to break above this area of interest, then I become slightly bullish, okay? Something like this maybe would be lovely. And then 5 and 5 in discount, push higher, reject, break up big time, and then we can maybe look for longs again. Maybe, it's a big maybe, because daily rate without significant BMS, it's nothing to my eyes. And right now the only BMS I see is this one, which is okay, but it's not like crazy good. Yeah, if we start to BMS this H4, I can become bullish again, or else we can keep resuming the bearish dump, okay? That's enough for me for today. I will post charts later in the group, in Telegram group, and I'm gonna speak to you again on Tuesday, guys, okay? Have a nice end of the week, good weekend, and bye.